Hey crafters, it's me Jen Evers with Quality Crafts. I thought we would do something really fun tonight since I have a guest over. Tiffany is here crafting with me, and so instead of stopping our crafty fun at 5, I'm going to give you guys a challenge. So the items that I'm using, in lieu of the items I was going to use tonight, it's going to be craft cardstock. So I want you to gather these things up, okay? Craft cardstock. White acrylic paint and a paintbrush, something to put it on with. A black marker, and then any other color markers you want. So craft paper, some colored markers, definitely a black marker like a Sharpie or something, and I want you to create something with that. That's my challenge to you. So create something with that, and then go to, I'm going to set up an album for that shortly here. Go to the album and put your make, whatever you come up with. It doesn't have to be a card, it can be anything. And just with those things, craft cardstock, white acrylic paint, a black marker, a black Sharpie, and any other color markers that you want. I want to see what you come up with. And then next week, I will show you what I came up with that stuff from something that I found online. It's going to be super cool. So I hope you guys will participate, and I cannot wait to see you guys next video. Go now! Make it now with the time that you have set aside to watch this video that I would normally be here for an hour. You have 1 hour for this challenge, and then go ahead and post it over in the Quality Crafts community group on Facebook. I'm going to be watching for your makes.